You have tried self-care apps and weekend retreats. And with what's going on in our world right now, it's no wonder we are all exhausted. You've cycled through wellness trends without lasting relief. So now it's time to reclaim that spark. Here are 5 science-backed steps to realign your mind, body, and business. Shift number 1, a ping from a mobile device. Is it your best friend, your mom, or a super cute crush that's triggering the urge to look at the phone? Be aware. That's the old pattern. The new logic, choose focus over frenzy. For example, try a 3-minute mindfulness-based stress reduction that lowers cortisol and sharpens clarity, such as deep belly breathing, or relying on random naps and breakthroughs. That's the old pattern. The new logic, rest rituals to fuel your mission. Pair forest bathing breaks with afternoon reflection to boost creativity by 25%. Shift 3, old pattern, squeezing tasks into arbitrary slots on your calendar. New logic, honor the highs and lows of your energy. For example, match deep work projects to your circadian high and creative brainstorms to your post-lunch spark. Shift 4, old pattern, suffering in silence until burnout. New logic, you co-create your wellness strategy and story. So weekly check-ins with an accountability buddy to course correct before overwhelm. Shift 5, old pattern, defining success by revenue alone. New pattern, well-being is our bottom line. Break the cycle with this 5-step transformation blueprint. Be in mindfulness, energy design, and regenerative rest. These actionable strategies restore your vitality and focus. End the exhaustion cycle with 5 holistic shifts that align your energy, mindset, and mission. Which ones will you share? Share in the comments which ones of these 5 will you use. And we look forward to hearing from you. Bye.